pulling in the Grand Logistics Warehouse, Denver, Colorado. The worst company Crown Imports in Chicago, Illinois could ever get. They tell me I have 6 trucks ahead of me. Well, I see one truck backed into the dock there. One truck backing in to hook up to a trailer. Just watch this video. Tell me how many invisible trucks do you actually see at their dock? This is at 9 o'clock a.m. on November the 6th. After I have been driving for over 10 hours to get to this place to reload for the next day. FMCSA rules and regulations state you can only drive 11 hours and work 14. This company likes to keep drivers out of hours so their loads cannot get delivered on time. They don't care about drivers. They don't care about drivers in day cabs. If you're in a sleeper, you can get in your sleeper and go to bed. This company don't care about the general public on the highways. They can care less if a tired driver runs you over and kills your entire family. FMCSA and the United States government needs to hold companies like this accountable for their actions to hold trucks at their docks. Now I'm going to fast forward this video that was taken this morning, and you watch how many trucks are at their dock. And it's a first come, first served company. Okay, I just passed up a dock. No truck was there. That truck is pulling out. There's a trailer right there. No truck, but it's here there before me. Hey, look at there. Door 8, empty. But there's a truck there that was loaded before me. Because he showed up before me. Well, it's kind of funny. He's not there, but yet I'm backing in way before him. But he got pulled out of there before I even got loaded. And I pulled out of there at noon, at 12:30 this afternoon. 13 and a half hours after I was on duty. According to FMCSA and the federal government, I need to park that truck. Now, had I parked my truck at their damn dock, they would have had it towed. And I would have been paying a fine. The general public of this country and FMCSA and federal government needs to hold companies like this 100% accountable for their actions. Stay tuned. I will post more come tomorrow. And the company is called Grand Logistics. Corporation headquarters is out of Chicago, Illinois. Crown Imports, which is incorporated out of Chicago, Illinois, is the ones that picked this dumb company to house their product, which is Modelo. Pacifico, Crown, which is your Coronas, Carnitas. Need I say more?